Anyone playing the full version on deck yet? I have the Ubisoft Connect Early Access version running on my deck, but the sound for the actors' voices is not working. Every other sound works. The game runs great otherwise. I tired other protons, but that's not helping. Any ideas?
Experiencing crashes with Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown on your PC can be a significant setback, especially when you are eager to dive into its captivating world. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to smooth out these interruptions and enhance your gaming experience. Facing issues with game crashes can be frustrating, but there is a potential fix that have worked for some. A friend encountered similar problems and found a solution by experimenting with different versions of Proton, a tool that helps run games on Linux. Surprisingly, this approach has also proved effective on a Windows PC. Additionally, he tackled issues related to Ubisoft Connect by deleting its Proton files and then relocating the game files. This method resolved the crashing issues for him. If you are facing similar troubles, it might be worth trying these steps. Should this solution work for you? Or if you have other suggestions, sharing your experience in the comment section could help fellow gamers navigate this issue. If you want to try some general troubleshooting, then these are the steps that you can perform. By following these steps, you can address the common issue of crashes with Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown, and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Share your success stories or further questions in the comment section to help the gaming community. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.